Good morning and welcome to Market Watch Monday. I'm your host Slobodan Drvenica, and today we are looking at the top economic releases that will affect the markets this week. German, French, Eurozone and Great Britain's January services and composite PMIs, as well as Eurozone December producer price index, will be top economic releases during European session on Monday. US January ISM non-manufacturing PMI will be in focus in the US session. Reserve Bank of Australia will announce its interest rate decision during Asian session on Tuesday. Eurozone December retail sales will be in focus in European session. Great Britain's January house price index and German December industrial production will be in focus on Wednesday, along with the US December trade balance and Energy Information Administration weekly crude inventories report. China's January inflation report will be the most significant economic release in Asian session on Thursday, while US weekly jobless claims will be the highlight of the US session. Markets in China will be closed on Friday due to celebration of Chinese New Year. German January inflation and Canada's January labor report will be top economic events on Friday.